Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I did order this stuff before, like everything that's happening got crazy. So I hope everyone is staying safe, washing their hands and staying indoors. But I do hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, But anyways, let's just jump right into it. This is the first thing that I got, and it's just this what's this, like an anime long sleeve shirt, and then on the side it says courage. And I normally this shirt comes like this. It looks like a mini dress, so I just I folded it this way, and then on the back there's nothing. Like on the back is just plain, so putting it this way makes it look cute. So this is the next outfit, and these pants are literally so cute. Look at the bottoms, but they are like a little bit long, so when you walk in it, see, it's going under my shoe. I'm 5'3.5", 5'4" on a good day, so for reference. But when I wear heels, it's totally fine. And then this is just the asymmetric shirt. I think this is so cute, and it's the thong, you pin it down, and I didn't pin it. So. This pandemic is really ruining things for some of us, because when this is over, the looks are gonna be killing. But yeah, so everything I got is in a size. I got this in a size 6, this in a 6 as well, and then the other shirt that I got, the first one, I got it in a size small. So on to the next. So the next one are these what is this, a green A-leg pants, and then this shirt. This is also a bodysuit that I did not pin on because I don't have time for that. But this, I got this in a size 6, and it does fit me, but these arms, the arms right here, I don't know, these, look at this. What? I would need to have T-Rex arms to fit in those, so I'm gonna just cut it off. But this was really cute, so I'm sad that it didn't, the arms didn't fit me because it looked really great on the model. But I got this in a size 6, so maybe if I got it in a size 8, it would be better. But this is the back. The back is just plain, and then the front is rouged. And then I got a couple of accessories, so let me show you guys that. So these are the next things that I got, are these slippers. These were $20, but with the discount it was 10, I think. I got this in the US 8, but they came in a size 9, which I'm totally okay with it because it fits me perfectly. You do have to break them in. And then I also got this bucket hat. It's a one size fits all. I got this because I have an idea in my mind that I want to recreate. So she was wearing a bucket hat, so I'm gonna wear a bucket hat too. And the next thing are these really cute shoes. They come in a box that says Pretty Little Thing. The slippers came in a box that said Crush on it. So you open it, and this is how they look. So I'm not gonna put it on my feet because it's looking a little crusty. But look, how cute is this? Thank you guys so much for watching this haul video. I know it was really short, but don't forget to stay inside, wash your hands, and stay inside again and wash your hands again. Make sure you call up all your friends and your family members. Stay safe, guys. Make sure you're praying. Please, let's all pray so this whole thing is over, so some of us can go outside. I can't wait for outside to be open again. But anyways, don't forget to share this video, really right now. Share it, subscribe. Oh, and comment which one was your favorite outfit. And if you were wondering, my package was delayed because I ordered before things got crazy, but I think they're back to shipping regularly. But don't order stuff now. Anyways, Don't forget to comment which one was your favorite outfit and which one you would get, and see you in my next video.